Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the timer for your OneDrive personal vault using OneDrive desktop application. Now let us begin. As you can see, this right here is the application for OneDrive, and right now we just want to change the timer for our OneDrive personal vault. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right, you will see a gear-like icon, that is Settings. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Once again, let us go to Settings. In the Settings page, initially, you might be in the Sync and Backup page, Account, Notifications or About. It depends. But right now, what we want to do is scroll right over to Account. Once you're in the Account page, it's gonna give you a few options like Unlink this PC, Privacy Settings, choose folders that will be available on this PC, and finally, Personal Vault. And just below it, there's a setting like this that says Lock Personal Vault After, and right next to it, here is a drop down. Simply click on it. It's gonna give you few timers like 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hours. Well, it's up to you. Simply select the one of your choice. I'm gonna select this one right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the timer for your personal vault lock. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.